Alright, so this is a vintage, I guess, Toshiba table fan with plastic blades and metal grill. The grill is kind of damaged and it's not in the best condition. So, it's not a bad fan, but at least I'll tell you what's wrong with it. The oscillator seems like it's a bit loose, but no, it works. But the blade is warped, so I'm just letting you know that it's gonna shake a little bit when I turn it on. It's too much. It's not too much, but I don't. This is the only Toshiba fan I have. Well, I have a tripod pedestal fan somewhere. There's the back oscillation, and I guess that's pretty much all there is to it. So, here's on. It's gonna shake. It starts okay. Let me turn it off real quick. So, it starts okay for a few seconds, and then as it goes, it shakes, and the blade is warped, as you can see. And well, yeah, it shakes so bad. Other words, it's not too much of an air mover. Let's make this thing oscillate, because why not? It does oscillate, but I don't know if it reduces friction. So, there it is. Man, this thing is junk. So thanks for watching. Peace.